Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the easiest ways to earn money online, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a free online rewards program that allows you to earn points, or Swagbucks, by completing simple tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more. One of the easiest ways to earn Swagbucks is by taking surveys. Simply answer a few questions about your opinions and preferences, and you can earn up to 100 Swagbucks per survey. You can also earn Swagbucks by watching videos. Simply choose a video from the Swagbucks website or app, and you'll earn Swagbucks for every video you watch. If you're a gamer, you can earn Swagbucks by playing games. Simply choose a game from the Swagbucks website or app, and you'll earn Swagbucks for every game you play. Another way to earn Swagbucks is by shopping online. Simply use the Swagbucks website or app to shop at your favorite stores, and you'll earn Swagbucks for every purchase you make. Once you've earned enough Swagbucks, you can redeem them for gift cards to your favorite stores or for cash via PayPal. So, there you have it. Swagbucks is an easy way to earn money online. Sign up today and start earning Swagbucks for completing simple tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.